Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for our paper pumpkin unboxing. This one is called Delicate Wings, and it is this month's April 2024 kit. So we are going to unbox this, and let me tell you everything that you get. You're going to get a color, and this month's color is basic gray. Then you're going to get some stamp sets here, and I will show you those. We usually have a black and white copy. It's much easier to see. And let's see what is in here. So I'll set that off to the side. Now this is what you get when you first order your first subscription box. You're going to get all your paper pumpkin, and it comes with everything you need. The only thing, let's see, this is the only thing that it won't be in here is because this is not my first subscription. But your first subscription also comes with a clear acrylic block. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. Now, that block is all you need, so you keep that from month to month, and everything can be made with this. Every so often, you'll need some scissors, and so this is what I like to do my paper pumpkins with. I always use a pair of the Stampin' Up! Snips. Of course, my Take Your Pick tool. I also like to use Snail adhesive and Tombow monoliquid glue, and of course a bone folder. These are all things that I like to use, but you'll see as we go along here, you won't need any of that. It's just I like to use it for my own comfort. So let's see here. This is the black and white that I was telling you about. So these will all match up as you see. So it says, sending loving thoughts your way. We've got some pretty butterflies here, some little stipples there. This one says, everything will be okay, and surrounding you with love. So very pretty. And you basically, I keep everything in my paper pumpkin boxes until it's completely made. But then afterwards, you can just file them away like this. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We've got the instructions, and these are the cards, 1, 2, 3 cards. It looks like we'll be able to make 9 different cards if we make it exactly as is. Now, if you do subscribe to Paper Pumpkin through me, we have Paper Pumpkin put-togethers. It's the first Wednesday of each month. And we put it all together, and I usually do at least one alternative, if not more. So, all right. So, like I said, I like to use either my Snail Stampin' Seal or my multi-liquid glue, but they do come with little glue dots, so really you don't need it. This one comes with some nice cutouts, little mini butterflies. I'm just going to look real quick here. And some bigger butterflies. So I don't know if you stamp on those or not, but look how pretty. Alright, so we've got those butterflies. We also have these that are already done in some gold foil. I don't know if you could see that. Oh, there you go. Look at that shine. And then we've got some different tags here. So we have a couple sets of those. We have a set of these butterfly cutouts. And what else do we have? Ooh, look at that. See? Can you see that glow? Some of these are just too pretty. They're done on the front and the back. I can guarantee this is going to be cut to make 2 cards into alternative cards, and then probably 2 that are going to be made, or 1 that'll be made perfect as is, and the others will be alternatives. We've got some gold paper here. And then we've got some paper with some butterflies already on them. What else do we have here? Again, this paper will be used for alternatives for sure. We've got 3 of these. They are card bases. And what do we have here? Always here for you. I already have an alternative in mind. Beautiful, beautiful. And then there's this. Super pretty. Again with that lovely glow. I guess it's shine. I don't know. What's the word? Ooh, look at that. Reflection. Let me know what the word is. I cannot think about it. It just can't. It's not coming to me. All right. So I showed you the glue dots. And I also have some double adhesive tear tape. Comes with it. And then some dimensionals come with it as well. And they always give more than enough. Let me show you. I keep all my dimensionals nearby. And there's always enough of what... oh, this one's done. There's always... oh, there's a little bit more. That's why. So much. And then we've got all the envelopes. And these are all one envelope. But look at how pretty this is. I mean, even this could be cut up to make some prettiness on the cards. So that's everything. I cannot wait to do this with you guys. Again, if you purchase through me. And I'll put that information in the description so that you could check that out. And then, of course, it comes with this box. I usually take the wrapping paper out and just keep it all like this for when I'm ready to put it together. But that way you have everything that you need. And then again, you have your little D block. Now with me, I like to take that basic gray and I'll just get out my larger color. And then I save these little colors for my customers. So I hope you guys like this. I think this is a beautiful set and it's going to make some great cards. All right, beauties. You can also go to BeautyandtheStamper.com, click on the Paper Pumpkin button, and you'll be able to order your paper pumpkin there. So you have to do so before the 10th of each month. So this one, unfortunately, is already spent or used or purchased, or it's no longer available. But next month is currently on sale. So you have to do it by the 10th. They charge our cards on the 11th. And then you get it later on within a week or two of that date. So, and then we make our paper pumpkins on the first Wednesday of each month. So I hope you'll join me, and I cannot wait to craft with you guys live. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!